Remove the drip tray at the bottom, take out the water reservoir and fill it to the maximum water level. Then place them back in. Tap the cleaning icon at the bottom left and choose your preferred cleaning method. Tap Schedule Cleaning to set a time for Seine X to perform automatic cleaning. To delete a scheduled cleaning, tap Edit at the top right, switch to Exit and tap the red icon next to the time. If you want to clean immediately, select Manual Cleaning and follow the step-by-step instructions carefully. Wait for a moment and your daily clean is complete.
Back to the home screen, tap the cleaning icon to start deep cleaning. Before proceeding, carefully reach on-screen prompts to avoid any unexpected issues. As with daily cleaning, remove the drip tray and water tank. Ensure the tray is empty and fill the tank to the max line, then reinstall both.